In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate dark mode in Google Docs. With the increasing amount of time we spend on our screens, switching to dark mode can provide a more comfortable viewing experience, especially at night or in low light environments. Let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow to achieve this. For those of you using Chrome or Microsoft Edge, the first thing you'll want to do is adjust the browser settings. Open your browser and navigate to the appearance settings. If you're using Chrome, you can find this by typing Chrome settings appearance into the address bar and hitting enter. This is your gateway to customizing how your browser looks, and it'll include various options to personalize your browsing experience. Once you're in the appearance settings, you'll need to focus on the theme option. Look for the setting that says theme. By default, it might be set to light, but what you want to do is select dark for a more eye-friendly setup. This adjustment will apply dark mode to your entire browser, meaning not just Google Docs, but all your browsing activities will be in dark mode. This can be a real game changer if you often work late at night or in settings where a bright screen might be a bit overwhelming. Now, for those who've been looking for a built-in dark mode feature directly within Google Docs on the web, you might have realized that there isn't one readily available. Google Docs does not offer a native toggle for dark mode, but don't worry, there's still a way to make it work for you. An effective workaround is utilizing a dark mode browser extension. There are several available out there, but one of the most popular and widely recommended is called Dark Reader. This extension is compatible with multiple browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. To get started, go to your browser's extension store and search for Dark Reader. Once you find it, click on the option to install or add it to your browser. This will download and integrate the extension into your browser seamlessly. After it's installed, finding and activating it is quite intuitive. Look for the icon that appears in your browser toolbar and click to enable it. What Dark Reader does is force websites, including Google Docs, into dark mode. It tweaks the colors on the page, ensuring that all elements of the displayed site adapt to a darker, more soothing color scheme. There you have it, a simple way to reduce eye strain by using dark mode in Google Docs, enhancing your comfort as you work. Keep these steps handy for an easier transition. Adjusting your workspace environment to suit your personal preferences can genuinely improve your overall productivity and ease of navigation.